Here is a beginner-level marketing manager quiz that covers lead generation and customer acquisition, customer relationship management, CRM, and marketing automation and analytics. Let's go. Question 1. What is the primary goal of lead generation? A. To attract potential customers and convert them into buyers. B. To manage employee salaries. C. To track competitors' sales. And D. To handle customer complaints. Answer: to attract potential customers and convert them into buyers. Question 2. Which of the following is a common lead generation technique? A. Avoiding advertisements. B. Ignoring customer inquiries. C. Reducing marketing spend. And D. Cold calling. Answer: cold calling. Question 3. What is a lead magnet? A. A device used for customer retention. B. A free resource offered to attract potential customers. C. A paid advertisement on social media. And D. A direct email campaign. Answer: a free resource offered to attract potential customers. Question 4. Which of the following is not a common lead generation channel? A. Social media marketing. B. Email marketing. C. Customer service complaints. And D. Content marketing. Answer: customer service complaints. Question 5. What is the purpose of a sales funnel? A. To track customer movement from awareness to conversion. B. To generate random sales reports. C. To store customer invoices. And D. To eliminate competitors. Answer: to track customer movement from awareness to conversion. Question 6. What is the first stage of a typical sales funnel? A. Retention. B. Conversion. C. Loyalty. And D. Awareness. Answer: awareness. Question 7. Which tool is commonly used for capturing and managing leads? A. Google Analytics. B. CRM software. C. Excel spreadsheets. And D. PowerPoint. Answer: CRM software. Question 8. What does CRM stand for? A. Customer relationship management. B. Client retention model. C. Consumer review mechanism. And D. Corporate revenue management. Answer: customer relationship management. Question 9. What is the main benefit of CRM software? A. Decreases marketing efforts. B. Increases employee salaries. C. Helps businesses build and manage customer relationships. And D. Reduces customer service interactions. Answer: helps businesses build and manage customer relationships. Question 10. A well-implemented CRM system helps with A. Increasing product costs. B. Reducing company revenue. C. Avoiding customer communication. And D. Tracking customer interactions and improving engagement. Answer: tracking customer interactions and improving engagement. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which of the following is not a feature of CRM software? A. Lead tracking, B. Customer data management, C. Employee payroll processing, and D. Automated follow-ups. Answer: employee payroll processing. Question 12. Why is customer retention important in CRM? A. Retained customers contribute more to long-term revenue growth. B. It increases employee workload. C. It prevents competitors from marketing. And D. It reduces the need for customer service. Answer: retained customers contribute more to long-term revenue growth. Question 13. Which metric is commonly used to measure customer satisfaction in CRM? A. Return on investment, ROI, B. Net Promoter Score, NPS, C. Gross profit margin, and D. Employee retention rate. Answer: Net Promoter Score, NPS. Question 14. What is the primary function of customer segmentation in CRM? A. Increasing product pricing. B. Reducing the number of customers. C. Grouping customers based on similar traits for personalized marketing. And D. Eliminating competitor analysis. Answer: grouping customers based on similar traits for personalized marketing. Question 15. What is marketing automation? A. Avoiding customer interactions. B. Hiring more employees to handle marketing manually. C. Reducing the need for advertising. And D. Using technology to automate repetitive marketing tasks. Answer: using technology to automate repetitive marketing tasks. Question 16. Which of the following is an example of marketing automation? A. Scheduling social media posts in advance. B. Sending handwritten letters to every customer. C. Avoiding email marketing. And D. Printing advertisements manually. Answer: scheduling social media posts in advance. Question 17. How does marketing analytics help businesses? A. By reducing the need for customer feedback. B. By increasing company expenses. C. By providing data-driven insights to improve marketing strategies. And D. By avoiding marketing campaigns. Answer: by providing data-driven insights to improve marketing strategies. Question 18. Which metric is commonly used to measure marketing campaign performance? A. Click-through rate, CTR. B. Employee attendance rate. C. Number of competitors in the industry. And D. Office supply costs. Answer: click-through rate, CTR. Question 19. A/B testing in marketing refers to A. Measuring employee efficiency. B. Avoiding customer engagement. C. Comparing two versions of a campaign to see which performs better. And D. Testing new office layouts. Answer: comparing two versions of a campaign to see which performs better. Question 20. What does ROI stand for in marketing? A. Retention of industry. B. Rate of interest. C. Revenue AI optimization indicator. And D. Return on investment. Answer: return on investment. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.